It's Disney Travel Day.
Hi, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
The hall, I don't know. I feel like the halls are very hard to navigate to find out where you're going here. It's a hard decision. I knew you were gonna go for that one.
No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way.
Remember when I told you about this little cave?
It's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana, fresh cut sushi on a platter. Brandy, honey, it don't matter, shots till I drop. Gonna be 24/7, golden hour like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot, oh yeah. I'm busy trying to take it higher. Got no time for never, only spending cheddar. Wish I could do this forever. Chilling with the hottest company. They all wanna welcome me.
Alright, we just got to the airport. We just made the baggage cutoff just in time. Wouldn't be a Disney travel day without being late and chaoticness, right? Alright, so we're about to go through TSA. Doesn't look bad. Alright, we made it through security barely. I'm sure they started boarding already. We've had a chaotic morning. We were all ready to go, and then we went into the garage to get the stroller, and I'm like, where's the stroller bag? Yeah, it's nowhere to be found. So we spent 10 minutes looking for it. Kind of made us a little bit late, but we got here and we're gonna make our flight still. It's gonna be okay. Yeah. I just don't like to travel without my stroller, the stroller bag, because I know it's gonna be trashed now by the time we pick it up in Orlando and vice versa, but you know, it is what it is at this point. We fill up our water bottle here, but it is not working, so we're on our own. There's always enough time for a Starbucks, right? Alright, I had to abandon my coffee order. That was so sad. It's $8 down the drain there, but they were calling our name final boarding, so we had to go. So I'm just gonna have to get a coffee when we get to Orlando. But we made it, we're on board. Oh my gosh, she's discovering all the toys here. What did I say here? We haven't even taken off yet, and she has found everything out of her bag. She's so excited.
Mom, please open this for me.
Alright, please stick around. That's her first choice here. I think you have enough lip gloss.
We almost got 10 minutes. No!
All done?
No.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Mommy needs some.
Okay, good. I do. We did this back
Alright, we made it, and it's just about 9 a.m. Lucia said she just wants to go to Disney World. She does not want to go to the bathroom here, so I don't know if we chance it, but yeah, gonna go. got the lovely green carpet here. It's a spirit. So that requires us to go through the little train dive.
To their private penthouse suite, yeah, now I got the key. Rooftop pool, got a heli on speed. Ocean view from the highest peak. I'm complete, oh, I want this to stay. Please don't go away. Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break.
Alright, we finally checked into we just arrived to Beach Club, so we're gonna go check in. They have a little bit of construction going on right now. Alright, one thing, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like the hall, I don't know. I feel like the halls are very hard to navigate to find out where you're going here. I had that problem though at Animal Kingdom Lodge. So anyway, we found the elevator. So we're off to Animal Kingdom now. Alright, we are all checked in and we're headed over to Disney's Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom is a perfect park to do on arrival day. It's quiet, you could take it slow. It is also, in my opinion, one of the hottest parks, so keep that in mind. But yeah, let's see what we can get accomplished today with my toddler. By popular demand, I have been ordered to stop here at Joffrey's. Why, you ask? Because this girl saw the donuts from a mile away. I hope there's still a pink one. Let's see. These are her favorite things.
How about a pink?
It's a hard decision.
A pink one.
I knew you were gonna go for that one. Okay, sit down. So, when you first walk in to the left of the park, there's this little cave thing, and I used to bring Lucia here when she was a baby. It's a little bit cool in there. That's a great hiding spot from the sun. These do kind of look like a dog. Cotton Top Tamarin. Where is it? From Colombia. Entering Africa. Oh my god. Alright, first ride of the day on the trip, Kilimanjaro Safaris. Lucia's actually never been on this before. Alright, you ready? Come on. Right here, baby.
Oh, you can scan there too. That works as well. Good job.
Okay.
It's going quite fast.
No, it's like a car. We're going on a safari. Are you excited to see animals? Oh, is this our turn? No, it's not our turn. Ours is the next one, probably. So they get in these big safari type vehicles.
Really loud sounds or yell out. We don't want them to get alarmed or scared. These two are females, and we know that because they don't have horns. Only the male kudos have horns. They're the second tallest animal in the reserve. Underrail crocodiles on the left as well. They're found all over sub-Saharan Africa. They can reach well over 16 feet in length, fully grown. In the wild, they live around 40 years. In captivity, about twice that. How cool is that? A couple more giraffes up ahead. Giraffes, of course, are the tallest animals. They top out at around 20 feet. Here on the reserve, they are Maasai giraffes. Have this irregular kind of jagged pattern on their coat. And again, 2 mature giraffes up ahead. But look at that baby. How cute is he? He is about 5 months old. Giraffes are about 6 feet tall at birth. Let's see. The giraffe closest to us is his mom. So the first elephant, the one way back there, that's her mom. This is her mom's little sister, and that's grandma over there by the tree. Mom's little sister right there is 8 years old. I still remember when she was a little teeny tiny 300-pound newborn. And the baby is a 1-year-old. She is a cutie. About 1.5 now. Greater flamingos are the largest and the lightest in color of the flamingos. Get their color from the flamingo, which is really like carotene. The group of flamingos is called the flamboyants. If you're wondering what separates the rhinos from us, we have a log. And the tall grass there as well.
Lucia, what do you think? Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? What was your favorite animal that you saw?
A bingo.
The flamingo?
Yes.
That was your favorite?
Yes.
I think I liked the elephant and the giraffe. The baby elephant, baby giraffe.
Yes, I like it too.
Very cool. I haven't done that honestly in like before COVID times. Very cool. She even really enjoyed it. So now we have a little bit of time before our next lightning lane, so I think we're gonna get some lunch. No, baby. No. We don't pick the plan, okay?
Why?
Because Lucy, you can't climb him. Disney duck. We're waiting for our lightning lane, so we came to Yak and Yeti. So, we're gonna get something to eat here. And, okay, I'll go get it for you. It's spicy.
How about this one?
I got shrimp tempura, I think. Sweet and sour. And Lucia got a chicken finger kids meal. Alright, we're going to do the Cali River Rapids. So excited. I haven't done this ride in 2 years. Lucia is finally tall enough. So Cali River Rapids is a pretty easy ride for the most part. There is like a slight drop, but it's not so scary. It's pretty good. One tip is you want to bring a change of shoes because you might get wet. Depending where you are on the circle boat, certain spots tend to get more wet than others. So you could get soaked or you could get like nothing. But yeah, I always just keep a pair of like flip-flops or Crocs in the bottom of the stroller, and then I change before we get on the ride. See ya! Woo! First time on this ride. Are you excited? Are you nervous? Are you a little nervous or scared? Oh, it's okay. It's gonna be so much fun. Here we go. Oh!
Wait.
Oh, that's really good.
Oh.
Going backwards again. What?
Oh, there's a little rapid. Someone's getting wet. It's gonna be me.
I like it.
Woo! What? So far, so good.
Look it.
Oh, Dan and Wesley, you're gonna get soaked.
Alright, we just finished with Cali River Rapids and she did amazing. She did really great. So Okay, we gotta go get that thing. Let's go get it. Lucia, Lucia, how did you like the ride?
Good.
Was it your favorite ride? Do you want to do it again? All right.
You're welcome. Thank you.
She's been requesting popcorn like for the last hour. So, up. That's not ours. That's not ours. This one. This right here. Right here. This one. Let's get in the stroller and go over there. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna go get some popcorn and then maybe head to Epcot. We'll see if we see anything on the way out. Otherwise, yeah, I think that's it. We're just doing 2 rides here. Remember what I told you about this little cave? I've been taking Lucia here since she was a baby for her afternoon naps. She totally fell asleep in her stroller, which I am like dying because she's outgrowing her stroller and it makes me so sad. Look at this poor thing. The girl in her popcorn bucket. So I randomly discovered this little cozy spot like maybe when she was about 2 or something, I think. Yeah, it's just like, it's still humid of course, but it's just a little bit cooler and there's no sun directly on you, so it's a good way. You know you don't wake a sleeping baby, right? So I'm giving her a little chance to take a nap and then we'll get on the bus and head on over to Epcot. Well, I think that's gonna about do it for today's video. I have an annual pass. I go to Disney multiple times a year with my toddler. If that's something you're into, go ahead and stick around and subscribe. Give this video a like. It really does help support the channel. And we will see you in the next one. Or thanks for watching. Bye.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.